I used to wonder why the media always show us something like this whenever they want to talk about Africa and African villages. Yes, this is an African village. But this and this and this and also this and this and this are also African villages. Africa is a continent with 54 countries and millions of villages. But when Western media want to report an issue, let's say in a Kenyan, Nigerian, Ethiopian, or Rwandan village, they use images from maybe an IDP camp in a country like Burundi, Congo, Sudan, or Malawi to represent villages in other countries. So when you Google African villages, these are basically what you are going to be seeing. It is true that these are places in Africa, but do they truly represent what Africa is? Africa is considered as the poorest continent, and yes, Africa is poor. But Africa of yesterday is not Africa of today. Things are changing and will continue to change for better, and the narrative also needs to change. I recently watched a video where a YouTuber was asking Europeans what they think about Africa and what comes to their mind when they hear about Africa and when Africa is mentioned. And majority of them were saying poverty. Among everything that makes Africa great and unique, poverty is the only thing that comes to. Among many things that make Africa great and unique, the narrative that people choose to share about Africa is the narrative of being poor. When you want to come to Africa, come with an open mind and you'll be surprised at what you will discover. Africa is more than what you see on Western media. Africa is more than what they show you. When they show you their own Africa, show them your own Africa. These are all African villages. Some of the many Igbo villages from different parts of Igbo land in Nigeria, West Africa.